Hi everybody, welcome back, or hello if you're new. I'm Febrith and today we're looking at some new items from Charmed Aroma. These have just arrived. Let me show you the box. Okay, it's arrived a little bit tatty and a little bit bent in, but hopefully everything will be all right inside. Let's open it up and I'll show you what I got. All right, well, this is extremely disappointing. The bottle of Skele-Gro is absolutely soaking wet. Look at my hands. The inside of the box, it came in all this packaging, which was wet. Well, as you can see, it's soaking wet. And I couldn't quite understand why, and now I know. I'm actually covered in water. It's all down my trousers. It's all over my socks. So, oh my God. Let's see if I can get this open. It's freezing cold. I don't know what they've actually put in there. Oh man, look at this. Oh my God. Okay, well that's beyond broken. I can't even. That's so bad. What a shame, because it looks like it was going to be nice, right? Oh God, what a pity. All right, well, I better contact them about that then. Oh, what a disappointment. All right. That explains why the box was dripping. I just assumed that it was like, look at all this sweat. You know, from the post van or something. But no. All right, let me show you the other. This is Archie, by the way. Archie's butt that you're looking at here. Don't try and smack me. All right then, so the second thing comes in this beautiful box. And you can see what that is. Oh, he's had enough. You're leaving now? Okay, well, this is really small, actually. This will teach me to keep an eye on the actual measurements of things. But actually, it smells amazing, let me tell you. Okay, so here's the first part, the bottom part, the tray with a candle. It's very nice, right? And it's in one piece, which is great. We've got a double wick candle. I'll tell you about the scents as soon as I can. And then, look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, that is beautiful. And I'm thrilled with it. And I gather it lights up. I don't know if there's a... Oh yeah, there is. There's a battery inside. Okay, just get rid of that. And then, ta-da! You might not be able to see with all the lights on, but I think you can see just here in the tower. Oh, that is pretty. Okay, let me turn the lights off. Okay, that's much better. Look at that. That is lovely. What an actually gorgeous thing that is. All right then. Okay, well, 1 out of 2 isn't brilliant, is it? But I guess this is where we are. I better contact them and ask them to send a replacement, I guess, and, you know, maybe package it a little bit better, because that wasn't it. All right, I'm going to leave you with that view. Call that the end of this wee video. Thanks so much for watching. Do let me know, have you bought any of these items, and did yours arrive okay? In fairness, I'm overseas, so, you know, yeah, who knows. Anyway, that's it. Take care. Stay safe, everybody.